Stain and Seal Experts fence stain and sealers are so easy to use. One man can do it and you don't have to mask anything. Check this out. So we start by wetting the house down. All the brick is wet down with a garden hose, and we apply a little bit of our degreaser right around the edges of the fence on the brick. Makes cleanup just a little bit easier. Now we're touching everything up with the water hose, spraying the other side, and now we'll rinse all the way up and down the house behind the fence, getting any residual stain off. Now we're doing the same process on the neighbor's fence, wetting it down. No stain will stick to that wet surface. Apply the stain and then just rinse everything else clean that we don't want stain on. And now we're going to show you that the stain is rain safe almost instantly after it's applied.
Do it with a one-man crew, proving that it can be done. We're not too worried about stuff getting on the house. Not a big deal. White brick, it's tough, but we're okay. Check this out. Our stain, kind of controversial. It's rain safe. Good to go. In the time-lapse video, if you noticed right at the very end, I sprayed the fence down, but it was just so fast you couldn't see it. Last piece of spray. I'm not worried about it. Stains are rain safe. You can get to work. You don't have to worry about rain as much. You don't want to be a knucklehead, but you definitely got a narrower window that you got to worry about. So go stain, use Stain and Seal Experts. Just finished this project, Stain and Seal Experts walnut fence stain and sealer. Check it out. No runs, no drips, no laps. It's a treated pine fence. Easiest stuff in the world to put on. Can't mess it up.